Hey, so quick update. So this is Stream Deck, and I decided, why am I using the keyboard when I'm a Stream Deck guy? So watch this. I'll highlight this, and I'm just going to start lower left, one button, lower middle, lower right, upper left, upper middle, upper right, left one third, middle one third, and then I use number 9 for 2/3. So what I can do is I'll take this one and go here. There it goes. Took a little second or two, and then this one goes 2/3 right. And see how that's all perfect? And this is just Windows management. Imagine how crazy it's going to get with all the other things that Raycast can do. So that's why I created a Raycast profile. And they've come up with this new auto button. Check this out. You can click on this button, and if you click on it again, it closes the application. I just had that for Evernote. I need to put that back on here. Let's just build one really quick so you can see how it's done. Open application, drag it over here. There it is. So if you long press, it quits the application. And the app we're going to do is, I know people are like, why do you still use Evernote? I like it. I don't like having the word Evernote. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so now I'm going to open up Evernote. And it's opening and opening and opening. And then I'm going to long press. And it went away. Oh, yes. Hey, thanks, Stream Deck. That's pretty handy. I don't have to go up there and click the red button, which really doesn't turn it off, or go up and actually quit something. Just long press. So there you go. What an improvement. This is really cool. And I did this in the shape of how the screen is laid out. So we're going to go there and there. Oh, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Look into Stream Deck. $50, lifetime, forever license on an iPad. It's the cheapest way you can get into this business. Well, there is a cheaper way. I think they give you 3 buttons for free. But anyways, have an absolutely fantastic day.